for the sunrise. Wash the plates, sweep the floor, no smile, no smile. Tiny hands, heavy load she carry. Dreams buried in the backyard alley. They call her name like she no be human. Treat her worse than broken sand. But deep inside she dey pray for light. Say one day she go win this fight. She dey whisper for her mind. Now only God feet see my cry. No papa, no mama to call. Still she rise, she no go fall. No be slave, she be human being. No hearts where they beat to still they feel pain. No house made of fun, she gets a dream to stop the wickedness if it be you. No be slave, no treat her so. Tomorrow fit on you, no go know. Every tear where she drop for crown, God go turn them to victory sound. That small girl where you they shout, Phoebe angel no doubt. You they chop, she they hungry. Let her smile still they shine softly. She they sleep for cold.
Madam, are you going to watch this place forever?
I'm almost done, ma.
You are almost done. You are almost done all the time. Why are you so slow?
I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
I am sorry. I am sorry. Every time. Why are you always sorry? Talk. Why are you sorry?
I'm so sorry.
You're sorry again. You're always sorry.
What are you sorry for this time? For breathing? See this girl. She is a curse in this house. If it were left for me, I would have sent her out of this house from the day I set my eyes on her. Yes. Tana, that is on your salary for breaking these plates.
I'm sorry, it's fine.
It's not only you that knows how to.
Diana! What's going on here?
You can see, this girl, I don't know her problem. She broke the plates just like that. This girl, very careless.
And she's lucky we didn't break the plate with her.
Destroying things every time, eh?
Clean it up, okay? And take a break after.
A break? Why is she taking a break? She only just started now. Today's break?
Because I said so.
Daddy, what do you mean take a break? She just started. Dad!
Imagine. Honey, why are you giving the maid a break?
Mom? Dad? I wish you were here. Because I am tired. I am tired of being treated like this. Every move I make in this house is a problem. I am tired of living like this. I just miss my home.
Ivy! What are you doing here? What are you doing here, eh? You silly, lazy fool! What are you doing here?
Ma, I'm just trying to rest.
Eh? Rest? What is the meaning of rest?
Oga said I can rest.
Does this look like a hotel that you will come and be eating and be resting? Eh? My son is coming back from abroad and the whole house is still dirty. Don't let me give you another one. My hand is already paining me for the one I gave you. Come on, go and clean everywhere. And don't let my son come and meet dirt everywhere.
Ma, be cleaning. Oga that told
You
me.
are opening your hole on your head, called mouth on me.
No.
So you are even talking back.
No, ma, not at all.
Keep quiet and come down here. Come on!
I'm sorry.
Come on! Stupid girl. Can you imagine that woman had the audacity to wear red like I did just to compete with me? I told your father, some women just don't have any shame.
Mom, the truth is, she doesn't even stand a chance. I mean, look at you. Who can compete with you? I beg God, they're not rich at all.
So, see me now.
Ma, you shouldn't have bought the juice. You just saw me clean this place.
So you've grown wings. You've grown wings.
I've not grown wings. I'm just trying to.
You are very stupid. Fool. Oh yeah, start mopping it. Fast!
Mop the floor, and if I dare see tears in the eyes, if you cry, I will double your chores in this house. What is that? Always slooping. Is it when we're having a heart-to-heart talk, you will now come and be pretending to be doing one thing or another so that you hear everything we're saying? Did you come here with witchcraft?
Come back here. Clean that side first. And get me rags into my body.
I'm sorry.
Sheesh.
Where did you get this girl?
Me. Excuse me. I don't know where your dad got her from. Me? I don't know where your dad got her from. So big for nothing.
Now.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It wasn't intentional. Sorry.
Okay, what is it now?
I'm sorry, please.
You want to push me inside the gutters, Abi?
I'm sorry. Was it?
I've stained my leg because of you. You're not seeing the road. You cannot drive well.
I'm sorry.
Abi, don't touch me. I'm telling you what you're doing. I'm trying to. Why don't look at someone you cannot press? Why are you trying to touch me?
I'm sorry. See, I'm okay. You know what?
I've had enough for today. I've just had enough. I've had enough.
Please use this to go.
So now you think I'm a beggar? No. Take your money. I don't need it.
I'm sorry.
You're sorry for yourself. Carry your money and go. In fact, go and park this car because you don't know how to drive. Nonsense.
I didn't. It wasn't intentional. Hello. I come back to Nigeria and this is the first thing happening to me. Madam, I'm sorry.
Why will you talk to him like that, It's not like it's because of your problems. But you don't understand me, I'm going through a lot. But even though you're not supposed to talk to a stranger like that.
Hi, Mom.
Namo Namanata. Namo Namanata. Namo Namanata. Namo Namanata. Namo Namanata. Hey!
It's so good to be home. So good to be home.
Turn around. Are you eating well? Why is your bum going inside like this? Hey! Hi. Welcome, son.
This one, is she growing taller or are you wearing heels? Come, let me see.
She's just taller. I'm just taller. Eating all the food in this house while you are away.
You still go around breaking young boys' hearts.
Always. I mean,
can you imagine?
Why not? I mean,
I'm waiting for her sweet also.
You're still looking as elegant as ever. Mommy, you don't want to grow old.
Old? Hey, there is no old in my dictionary.
Oh, my thought. Ricky was supposed to be cured.
No, I called Dad, and then he told the mechanic to drop the car at the airport. Because my flight arrived late. So I just picked the car at the airport and I just came.
Smart boy.
So you can now drive.
I don't understand. Was I not driving?
Smart boy, high five.
I don't understand. When we was doing this one.
Was he not driving before? He was driving before.
But it was not good before.
It's only you that is left to learn how to drive.
It's so good to be back.
Let's go. They made you come and get
Daddy
your.
at home?
No, it's still in his office. They made you come and get your bag. Let's go inside. Let's go.
It's now different.
Hey, we dressed the whole place for you. Hey, if you see how. New furnishing, new decoration, new everything.
No smile, tiny hands.
God.
So, what did you buy for me?
You didn't even let me settle down. You're already coming to demand for stuff.
For God's sake, Danny, I'm your only sister.
And so,
Spoil me. Bring it out.
if you need anything, what I brought for you is in the bag. Go and get my bag from the car.
Me? Yeah, I can't go. Don't worry.
God.
The bag will wait for the maid to come back, then she'll get it for us. Don't worry.
I left you in Nigeria with this lazy attitude. I'm back again. You are still lazy as ever. What's your problem?
I'm not lazy. I'm just preserving myself. And carrying heavy bag is not part of the plan.
See, that is honestly your business. What are you people cooking, or what did you cook?
About that, the maid, she went to the market to get some food stuff, you know. So when she comes back, she'll prepare jollof rice.
Who is this she, the maid that you're talking about? I don't understand.
Ivy. Her name is Ivy. She's our maid.
You people have a maid. Interesting.
We do.
It better be delicious, because I had a lot of nonsense on the plane.
I tell you, she can be very annoying, but you see cooking, leave it for her. She's very good. Anyways, you look good.
See, I don't have time for all this. Please, just go. Go now.
Where have you been?
I'm sorry, ma.
Where are you coming from? How come it took you the whole day? Must you follow men up and down? Coming back here after sleeping God knows with how many men, looking like a rag from a gutter.
Ma, no, I'm on my way.
Come on, shut up! Is it a debate? Is it now a debate? So I will talk and you will talk.
No, ma.
Must you answer?
Sorry.
What the hell? See, my son has just come back from a very far distance journey. And I need you to go and make sure everywhere is clean. Serve him very well after you have finished cleaning yourself.
I'm sorry.
And if I hear him complain, Pim, consider yourself dead. I will bury you alive. Come get out of my sight. Get out of my way.
They call her name like she no be human, treat her worse than broken sand. But deep inside she dey pray for light, say one day she go win this fight. She dey whisper for her mind, now only God fit see my cry. No papa, no mama to call, so she rush, she no go fall.
Sit. Is that the maid? Is that the chef maid?
Chef. She's the maid though. Dash her chef. She's just lucky she knows how to cook. Chef my food.
I am loving this smell. Finally, food. I'm starving.
Sounds
Yeah. Smells really nice. I must give credit to this girl. She cooks well.
Mom, where is the water?
She didn't serve any water. What is wrong with this girl? Ivy!
Mommy, Dan can just get the water now.
Who's Diane? Am I the maid? I'm not going anywhere.
Ivy!
Mommy, it's not a big deal. It's water, Abby. I'll go and get it.
Excuse me, are you a houseboy? Eh? Didn't we have a maid so that she can do these things?
She's always like that. Always lazing around. I just hate that girl.
Why?
Yes, now I hate her with passion because she's too slow, and she always act like she's innocent. Hearing her voice alone irritates me.
Mommy, maybe she's busy with something or...
Busy doing what? Busy doing what? I left her serving this table and she should have served everything. In fact, she should have been here. Which one is busy? Busy doing what? Okay, what is she doing that is besides attending to us right now?
See, it's not a big deal, okay? I just go back. I'll go and get water. It's just water now.
Daniel.
You. What are you doing here? Hey, please, I'm sorry, yeah? Please, if you've come here to dread me, I'm so sorry. Please, but you have to go. I don't want my madam to catch you.
Your madam?
Please, I don't want to lose my job. Please, you just have to go. Come.
Are you throwing me out of the house?
Please, I'm begging you. Just go. Just leave. Please, I don't want any problems. Please.
Where is she now?
Ivy!
How can we start water?
Yes, ma.
That's your big head. Does not think that when you serve food, you should also serve water? Who brought you up?
I'm sorry, ma. I forgot. I'm so sorry.
Every time you are sorry, you will be so sorry, you will be sorry for your life. Eh?
You are too slow. You are too slow. Something wrong with you.
Where is my son?
That's true.
Your son.
What do you mean your son? Where is my brother?
My son who came in there to get water. He hasn't come out since then. Where is he?
Hey.
Which one is he again?
Hey, ma, he's your son?
Hey,
What
Hey.
have you done?
Hey.
Where is he? Where is he?
Oh my God.
What's wrong with this girl?
Go and bring us water before I carry this on head and
Where is she running to?
What is really wrong with her? Did you see how she's... Is she high? I mean, this girl is smoking, bro.
I don't know. Something is not right.
Hey. Sir, please, I'm sorry. I didn't know. I didn't know. That's why I locked you outside. Oh, please.
Thank you for locking me out of my own house. I'm really, really grateful.
Sir, please, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. Sir, please, I don't want to lose my job. Please don't help me. Don't tell your mother, please. Sir. Hey. I'm going to lose my job today.
Okay, no problem. All right, then I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you, sis. Thank you. Love you, sis. Bye. That's the president of our ladies' commercial association. Yeah, I'm planning a holiday in America. What's that face now?
Nothing.
So is your mother too old to go on a holiday?
Enjoy now, do you?
I'm going. Ivy!
Yes, ma. I'm sorry, ma. I'm so sorry, ma. I didn't mean it. I promise you, I'm sorry, ma.
What have you done? What are you sorry about?
Ma, I didn't mean it. I didn't know. I'm so sorry.
I'm not even understanding, Ivy. What have you done? What exactly are you saying sorry about? Explain to me.
The water. I did not bring water when you were eating. I forgot. I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Hey. What is wrong with her? She is always doing as if she's the same.
I'm sorry.
Whatever you are sorry about, only you and yourself know. For now, go outside and bring my sons back.
Okay, ma. I'll go now. Thank you, ma. Thank you. I'm sorry, ma.
Has she done something that she's... I don't get this girl, eh?
You do realize you need a car key to open a car, right?
I'm sorry. I'm just tired. I'm tired. I forgot. Thank you.
You know what? Leave it. Close it up. Leave it. It's my bag, I'll carry it.
Sir, please don't worry. Your mother will carry it.
It's my bag. I'll carry it. Very simple English.
Sir, I cannot let you carry the bag.
Hey, woman, it's my bag. Very simple and straightforward.
Sir, I understand, but please, I don't want your mother to scare me.
I don't care. Leave it. I'll carry it. You can go inside, woman. Really?
Sir,
Go inside.
I want to say something.
Okay.
Earlier today, when I saw you go outside, I didn't mean to act like that. I was just angry. I was frustrated. But please, that's not my true character. Eh? Please, don't mind mother. She was giving me alive. Please.
Are you done?
Sir? Sir, I beg.
Go inside.
Please, eh? Sir? I beg you. Thank you, sir. But please, don't tell her. Promise me, you know?
Alright.
Thank you, sir. It means a lot to me. Thank you. I will not be.
Ah, God in heaven.
Sorry, sir.
Go inside.
Thank you, sir.
Where is the bag I asked you to bring? Where is my son's bag I asked you to go and bring from the car?
So the thing is, I actually went, but your son, he not agree for me to carry the bag. He said,
Are you mad? Are you mad that you are talking nonsense? Yeah. So, and you agreed?
No, my dear.
You agreed. You didn't insist that you must be the one that will carry it. I'm sure you were very, very excited and happy that you are not the one that will be carrying the bag. So you left the work for him.
Mom, what's going on?
I asked her to go and carry your bag, and here she is. She didn't carry any bag.
Mommy, I was the one who told her not to carry it.
Why?
Because I know how I arrange my stuff. And Mommy, have you seen those bags? Those bags are heavy. I don't want... There are some things that can break there. So I said, okay, I'll carry it myself. It's not a big deal.
Oh, and then she will be doing what?
Mommy, it's not a problem.
She will be doing what? Because what is she doing in this house? What is the thing that she came to this house to do, if not to help and do things?
Mommy, but it's my bag. It's my bag.
So another person cannot carry your bag. Is that what you are saying?
Okay, fine. I'll go and carry it. I'm just coming back and see from one drama to the other. Mommy, I'm tired, okay? I have a headache, please. I'll carry it.
I'm sorry. I was telling you, I'm sorry.
I will deal with you in this house. You want to disgrace me in presence of my son. You want to purposely behave like you are the good one and I'm bad in front of my own son. I will finish you in this house.
I'm coming.
Please, I came to beg you not to tell your mother. Please, don't tell your mother about what happened between us. Please, she's going to kill me. I don't want to lose my job. Please, sir, please, I'm begging you.
Why should I forgive you?
Sir, please, just for the sake of God, please. I don't want to lose my job. This job is the only thing I have left in this entire life. Please.
I apologized to you when that accident happened earlier. Okay, so how about you locking me out of my own house?
Sir, I didn't know you were the one. I'm sorry. Sir.
You're clearly not apologizing because of what you said to me. You're apologizing because you figured out who I was. Yes or no?
It's the truth, boss. Please, I promise you. I'm sincerely sorry. I mean it. See, earlier on, I was frustrated. I had a lot going on. I was just having a bad day. Honestly, I didn't know. I'm so sorry. That's not usually my character. Please forgive me. I'm sorry. I mean it.
It's okay. Get up. Get up. It's fine.
Sir, are you sure? Please.
And I wasn't going to report you to my mom.
So I mean,
No, why should I?
thank you.
Hey, no, it's fine, Get up.
Thank you.
Get up, it's okay.
Thank you.
Just go and do your thing.
I should go.
That's fine.
Is this where you've been hiding?
No,
I told you, Mom. She has been hanging around him all along. Did I lie?
No, ma, it's not what you think.
Look at this stupid girl. You mean you allowed my son to even carry his bag himself? Have you lost your mind?
Ma, please, I begged him, but he didn't let me carry his bag, ma, please.
Come on, be going.
Ma, I begged him.
Shut up.
Ma, I'm sorry. Ma, please, I begged him.
Come on, shut up.
Please.
Go down there. Bend down. I said bend down. Kneel down.
Kneel down. Shift that side. Don't block my door. I want it. Then go down. Go down, trash like you belong to the ground. Stay there on the ground.
Acting so special. We will show you where you belong. This is where you belong, on the floor. Shut up!
Yes.
All the time, please. Sorry.
Your parents from the grave. Let them come and take care of this your unnecessary pride. So full of yourself. What do you think you are? That you are always so foolish.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean it. I'm sorry, please.
You're always sorry now. What else can you say? Sorry. I'm tired of hearing your sorries.
I don't want to see you get up from this. If I see you get up from this place, I will strip you naked and throw you at the bus stop. Then your eye will clear. So pompous. Huh? What is wrong with you? Let us go inside. If you get up from here, if you get up from here,
you're going to sleep here tonight for disrespecting me, my family.
No smile. Tiny hands, heavy load she carry. Dreams buried in the backyard alley. They call her name like she no be human. Treat her worse than broken sand. But deep inside she dey pray for light. Say one day she go win this fight. She dey whisper for her mind. Now only God fits in.
Here, bro, you won't believe what just happened. Yeah, the lady I told you I encountered earlier today. She works in our house as a maid. For real. But I kind of feel bad that I yelled at her. You know, I like her fire attitude, but it feels like she's been going through a lot. Yeah, come in. I'll call you later.
Okay. Where's the gift?
I don't understand. Straight to the point.
I blow the hot. Bring it out.
Oh, God. If I give you, you leave my room.
I will.
This are the thoughts I've been able to sort for now.
This.
Oh my God.
Um,
You know
hold
my
on.
style.
Please. I think you should give Ivy this one. The maid.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
I don't want her feeling left out. I got something for every single person in the house, even the neighbor's kids.
Wait. You bought all this for me and now you want me to share?
What's the big deal? It's just one.
Me, I can't share. Oh. I can't share anything. And besides, she wears the maid uniform all the time. So why does she need these clothes? What?
Okay, it's fine. Since you don't want to share, and you still have some here, just share one. One!
Who cares?
Okay, it's fine. Send me your account number. I'll give you some money to buy clothes for her.
For the maid. Oh, you have my account now, so.
Wait, I have you on my beneficiary list. I sent you one last week.
Oh, you should, because I'm your only sister. Oh, this is so nice. You really know my style. I'm going to rock this.
Sent.
200k for maid?
But the clothes I got for you, like, times 10 of that. So, what's the big deal? And moreover, I'm only sending you this money because I trust your fashion sense. I don't know anything about female fashion. If not, I'd have gotten it myself.
Oh, you're too nice. No, don't worry. I'll get her something nice. Okay?
Alright, you can leave my room now. And please don't come back for the remaining clothes now. I have a lot. I'm busy.
Trust me, I'm coming back tomorrow for the other ones. This is so nice.
Go!
200k. Don't worry, I'll get you something nice. Thank you.
Ivy,
Sir?
what are you doing here? In this cold? Kneeling?
Sir, Madam asked me to kneel down here.
Stella, my wife. Why?
Because earlier on, I let your son carry his bag by himself.
God, Stella. Okay, look, stand up. Let's go inside. Stand up.
No, sir, please. I don't want any problems, please.
Look, whatever is the problem, let me face it. Okay? Stand up. Let's go inside.
Sir, please, I don't want...
I am commanding you, Ivy. I said stand up. I am your boss. Oh yeah, stand up, stand up. Stand up. Let's go inside. Please, stand up. Come on. Let's go inside. You're not a slave. You're here to work. And we can't treat you like a slave. How would I just allow you to kneel down here all night? No. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. I will face the country. I will take charge of it. Let's go inside.
Welcome, honey. What is she doing in my house? What is she doing in my house?
Come on. But I can't just leave her outside there now.
It is better for her to sleep outside there so that after she has slept there, her senses will come back and she will stop behaving like a goat.
Come on, Stella. That's somebody's child you're calling a goat. I mean, how would you even sleep knowing that she's outside there kneeling in this cold with the bruises all over her legs?
Raymond, she did something and I'm trying to discipline her. You are spoiling her, undermining my own authority in this house.
No, nobody's undermining your authority now.
You are disrespecting me in her presence.
I am not. All this your authority thing. You just keep it low.
Sorry, what is this noise all about in the house? Dad?
Son,
I didn't know you were back.
it's nice to see you.
Welcome. What's going on?
Ask your father what is wrong.
Daddy,
Ask your father. I disciplined her and here he is undermining my authority and cancelling my discipline. Can I not discipline somebody in this house again?
Dad, is that
Look, don't mind your mom. Don't mind her. I saw her kneeling outside. I mean, how could I can't just leave her like that. Look at her leg. Bruises all over.
Come here. I am going to your room.
Go. You are not going in.
Mommy, wait. Go to your room. Go.
You know what? I'll just go up and freshen up. It's been a long day. Nice to have you back.
It's so good to see you.
He's same here.
Both of you are disrespecting me in this house.
Mommy, it's not fair now. How would you let someone's child down? Mommy, if it was Diane that it happened to, would we be happy? If someone was punishing Diane like that, would we be happy?
Are you even for real? Comparing my angel Diane to a maid? Now you are comparing my daughter, my sweet angel daughter, to a maid.
Mommy, you clearly don't understand what I'm trying to say.
I cannot understand.
There's no point. It's not.
No point at all because you cannot even understand. I don't even know.
There's something I want to discuss with you later.
Later, where did you and your father even come from in this universe? Two people behaving like strange human beings, aliens in my house. Imagine. This girl should have slept outside so that she can have sense.
Who is there?
It's me, Daniel. Can I come in?
Oh, okay.
I'm so sorry. I didn't expect that from my mom. Okay? So sorry.
It's fine. It's not your fault.
I brought this ointment. It should work.
I don't need it. Don't bother yourself. I'll be fine.
No, take and apply it. Take.
I don't want. Please.
Do you prefer we do this forcefully? Because, okay, you need to walk. How would you walk with bruises all over you? Just relax, okay? Just gently.
Easy. Thank you, sir. Please, I have to go and serve your father's food.
No. I would serve it myself.
You serve your father's food yourself?
What's the big deal? He's my dad. I've been doing that since I was a child, so...
Please, let me just go on.
No. I insist. Can't you see yourself? Just take this, okay? Let me go do that for you.
She wake before the sunrise, wash the plates, sweep the floor, no smile, no smile. Tiny hands, heavy load she carry. Dreams buried in the backyard alley. They call her name like she no be human. Treat her worse than broken sand. But deep inside she they pray for light. Say one day she go win.
Ah. Wow. My son, the chef. And you want serving me food now? Come on. You want serving me food now?
Dad,
Yeah.
it's just this night, though. Don't get used to it.
You know, this abroad, it has really changed you.
You think so?
Yeah. Wow. Let me try this. You see that girl? Ivy.
Mhm.
She's been through a lot in this house. The way your mom and your sister, Diane, treat her, I don't like it at all. I've spoken up a few times, but you know your mom. You know how she can be.
Yeah, mom can be dramatic.
Exactly. But I just keep quiet sometimes, you know, for the sake of peace. But you see, Ivy, she needs protection. She's not as strong as she pretends to be. No, she's not.
Okay. Let me get your water. I'm coming.
All right, thank you.
Hey. What are you doing here?
Sir, the thing is, I actually came to check if everything is in check before I
don't understand. So you don't trust me to handle things in my own house?
That's not my point. At this point, it's a habit for me. I just need to check that everything is in order.
That is why you're here limping.
Sir,
I told you to stay in the room. If I see you touch anything here, I will be forced to carry you to the room myself.
sir, but you don't have to do
Hey,
anything.
no, stop. Go to your room now. I insist. Go to your room now. I'm waiting.
Okay.
Wait. Have you eaten?
No.
Why? How do you make food for people in the house and you've not eaten?
So I'm not permitted to eat without.
What do you mean you're not permitted?
She wait before the sunrise. Wash the plate, sweep the floor, no smile, no smile. Tiny hands, heavy load she carry. Dreams buried in the backyard alley. They call her name like she no be
Is this
human.
enough?
Treat her worse than broken sand.
Sir,
But deep inside she they pray for life. Say one day she go win this fight. She they whisper for her mind.
I'm not allowed
Only
to.
see my cry. No papa, no mama to call. Still she writes, she no go for.
Here you go.
Be safe,
Eat.
she be human being, oh.
I insist.
To still they feel pain, oh. Housemate often she gets a dream to stop the wickedness if it be you. No be slave, no treat her so.
I don't understand why you would make food for people and you're not eating. Let it be your last time, okay?
Every tear where she drop for ground. God go turn 'em to victory sound. That's
If you want more, you can have it.
baby angel, no doubt.
Okay.
You the chop, she the hungry. Yet her smile still they shine softly. She the slip for cold, no plan.
Yeah, come in.
Why you wear some gold and velvet? But one day life could change, stable.
And
Good morning,
how's
sir.
your day?
It's better. That room you give me works like magical. So I'm here to clean your room.
No. No. Why? I'll do it myself.
No, sir. I am the maid of this house, so
I don't care if you're the maid or not. It's my room. I said I'll do it myself.
so you can't. Let me just start. I'll just go ahead and start.
What's your plan? You want to check my undies or you want to go through? Because I told you to leave it and you're insistent. So what's your plan?
Sir, please, it has not gotten to that.
So leave it.
I
I insist. Leave it.
Sir, I'll be outside.
Ivy! Ivy!
Yes, ma. I'm coming, ma. Yes, ma.
What happened to the rice in this pot?
Ma, the rice.
There was rice here last night. What happened to the whole rice in this pot?
The rice.
The rice flew away. As in, rice inside the pot suddenly grew wings and flew away. Do you think I am stupid?
Ma, it was the rice.
What did she do?
Do you know that this silly girl ate my own food? My food!
Mommy, is that why you want to injure her? With this hot pot? Mommy, really?
Daniel, are you defending her over me? Are you trying to defend the maid or what?
You need to relax. She ate the food.
Hey,
I gave her the food, okay? She said she had not eaten all day and I dished it myself.
Daniel!
Huh?
Daniel!
Mom, it's not...
I will deal with you later. You will deal with you.
Mom, it's not a big deal.
No problem.
Wait, Mom,
Allow me now.
Wait, I need to be sure you're not angry again, okay? I dished the food myself. Please.
I am not angry again. Allow me to pass.
Mom, it's okay. It's okay.
I will deal with you.
That's okay. Okay. It's fine. It's fine. I dished it. It's my responsibility. Permit me to ask you. How long has this been going on? The bullying, the harassment, the abuse? For how long?
From the very first day I moved into this house.
And what did you do to deserve that?
I don't know.
If you don't know, why are you still here? Why?
Because sometimes life don't just give you too many choices.
I honestly can't just sit back and watch you suffer like this. It's not fair.
Me too, I don't like that I'm suffering like this, but it's not like I have any choice right now. Please, I have to go. I don't want them to start looking for me.
Did someone call you?
That's
No.
fine.
Stay back.
Hey, please,
I
please.
said, stay back.
This is why I have to go. I don't want them to start looking for me.
Stay back. I
Please.
said, stay.
Yes, ma'am.
Stay back.
No.
Can you please? I don't want to lose my job.
I said, stay back.
Where are you coming from?
I was...
Shut up! I didn't ask for a speech. Yeah, I got that for you.
Ma, am I supposed to wear this?
Oh, wow, you are being picky. Eh? You ungrateful idiot. You are being picky. Let me ask you a question. Did your late mother ever buy anything for you? No, answer me. Did she buy anything for you?
Ma, thank you, but I'm fine with my uniform.
Madam, take this thing. Are you okay? I said take this thing.
I don't need them.
Don't call my mom for you. Mom! Come! Stupid thing. They're very ungrateful.
Thank you, ma.
Hey, come back here. Did you clean my room?
Not yet, but once I'm done with the kitchen, I'll do.
Are you stupid? What's the time?
Ma, I'm almost done with the kitchen. I'll just...
You must be crazy. I said, what's the time?
I'm sorry, ma.
Get out! Fool.
Thank you. Thank you for this.
Ungrateful thing. I'm supposed to wear it. No, don't wear it now. I'll wear it for you. I don't know if I gave you something safe. Rubbish. I'm supposed to wear this. I'll just slap at your dirty face now.
Dreams buried in the backyard alley. They call her name like she no be human. Treat her worse than broken sand. But deep inside she they pray for life. They wonder.
I'm obsessed with this dress.
Wait. Is this natural? Wait, this one now, is this natural?
How do you both sleep well at night knowing how you treat that lady?
Which lady?
The maid!
Why are you yelling at your mother's house?
Do I behave like a mother? Yes, because what you're doing is pure cruelty. Pure wickedness.
Oh, please. Oh, now she have a knight in shining armor. Then she is just a maid, a nobody. Why are you so pressed?
I'm pressed because unlike you, I don't treat people like that. I see people as human beings that they are, okay?
So that is why you are shouting at your mother, because of a maid.
Mom, I'm not shouting, okay? The only reason why I'm shouting is because this house has lost its compassion. Mommy, let's face the truth. What you're doing is bad. This girl is just trying to make a honest living. Well, no, tell me, what did she do? What did she do? You slapped her. Mom, thank God I witnessed that one. You put her head inside pots. For what? What did she do? Because she ate food that I dished her myself?
So she's now your charity case.
Mommy, she's not a charity case anything. Let's be honest. What you're doing is bad. Yes. What you're doing is bad. Don't you know what is called abuse? You're abusing this girl emotionally, mentally, physically. For what? What did she do to you? What did she do to you people?
Bravo! Bravo! That's my son! Well done! Well done!
Wait, honey. Wait. You mean you are enabling Daniel in this nonsense he is doing?
Nonsense? Oh, come on, Daniel. I mean, what kind of nonsense?
So this madness, you are okay with the madness?
You are calling this madness? Well, if it is madness, the whole world can as well go mad. I mean, so because I've been keeping quiet, watching you and Diane, treat that girl like as if she's a nobody. I mean, stripping her of every form of joy or of happiness.
Oh my God! So now it is the two men against the two of us, all because of a maid.
Mommy, it's not all because of a maid anything. Nobody's still. We are just telling you to do the right thing. I don't care if you're the owner of this house. Why are you treating? What? Yes. Why are you treating people anyhow? Are you the first millionaire in the world?
Look at this one that the day I was having labor, I almost died.
But mommy, don't go there.
So you are not talking anyhow? Is it only to yell at your mother because of her? Pay her now.
Daniel, she's just...
Excuse me, please.
Just a maid.
What have you
shut up
pay
here.
her?
Oh, because she's a maid, she's not a human being. That's why you will treat her anyhow. You insult her, you slap her, you even stab her. I mean, what kind of heart do you have?
Can you imagine how he spoke to me? Me, his own mother, as if I'm nothing.
I mean, I can't believe he shouted at us because of that girl. That low life. Eh?
Not lose my son to a common maid. I won't.
We have to do something though. Because I won't sit here and let Ivy become the queen of this house. I won't do that.
Can you even imagine how my son is? It's like this girl has already twisted his brain and he doesn't even know what he's doing. I know that look in his eyes. That is the same way his father used to look at me when he was too weak to control his emotions. Yes.
Do you think he's falling for her?
Of course, definitely. He has already fallen for her. And then before you know it, boom! She's the victim, we are the villain. We need to get her out of this house.
Then I think we should flip the script. Make her the villain in the story.
Any suggestions?
Yes, sir. We have to.
That is brilliant. Yes. We will make sure we move her from this house. Little by little by little, step by step, until she's gone.
And if we play our games well, we won't even have to touch her by ourselves. We just, don't worry, we need to work to places.
High five. You must throw her out of this house.
I came to check on you if you're good.
I'm sorry about that.
No, it's okay.
I actually want to say thank you for always caring about me.
It's fine, Ivy. You look good when you smile, you know. You should smile often.
Thank you.
And please, learn to, stand for yourself, protect your life. Don't let anyone just hurt you, please. Please.
I understand, but it's not like I have too many options. I honestly don't want to lose this job. I mean, I don't even think it's that bad. At least no one has tried to rape me here.
Rape?
My former job, my madam's husband tried to rape me.
What? You know what? Please tell me a little about you. I'm quite interested.
Growing up, I didn't exactly come from a rich family, but we were not hungry. We were happy. Not until my parents had an accident and they lost their lives.
Sorry.
And due to the fact that I'm the only girl, my father's family took everything away from me. I had to drop out of school.
Oh my God.
And ever since then, my life has been hell.
It's okay.
And I've been looking for jobs. I've been going from one place to another. I've been in the streets. I've been working. So my last job, I was there for a while, and my yoga, he tried to rape me, and I ran away. It was not up to It was not until I found this job that at least right now, I have a shelter. I have a home. I have food. At least I, I feel safe. At least. So please, I don't want to lose this job. I understand you, but it means everything to me.
Okay. Ivy, I'm not promising, okay? As long as I'm here, for as long as I'm around, nobody's gonna lay a finger on you. It might be hard, it might be difficult, but I promise you, nobody's gonna touch you again.
Thank you. Thank you.
Come.
Good morning, ma.
Why is this place still wet?
I'm sorry. I just started mopping, but I'll be done soon. I'll be fast.
Very nonsense girl. What if you started cleaning late? You want me to fall here and break my head before you finish on time?
No, ma. I'm sorry. I'll just finish now.
Look at her. You live in my house, eat in my house, sleep in my house, do everything in my house, yet just to clean the floor is a problem for you. Why are you so lazy?
I'm sorry, ma. But I did not eat last night.
That is good. You will not eat this morning as well. Maybe when you are very hungry, you will learn speed. Because I don't know what you are doing here.
I'm sorry, ma'am. I'm sorry.
If I come back here, I want this place to be, you see how my skin is shining? This place has to be shining by the time I come back. If you don't want to have issues with me.
I'm sorry.
Nincompoop.
She wait before the sunrise, wash the plates, sweep the floor, no smile, no smile. Tiny hands, heavy load she carry, dreams buried in the backyard alley. They call her name like
Yeah.
You're back?
Yes.
How was it?
Fine. What are you still doing with this?
I just need to finish.
You've been working since. Bring it.
Sir, please.
No. Leave it.
Leave what?
I said leave it.
Sir, hold on. I don't want your mother to come out and see you working. Please, just give it to me.
I said leave it.
Sir, please, don't put me in trouble.
Because
People are
nobody's
begging.
putting you in trouble. Leave it. You've been.
Hey.
What? What?
Sir, just give me it. Please, it's here.
Oh, hi, Mom. Yeah, how are you? I'm coming inside now. Just having a conversation with you.
Okay. Are you okay?
Yes.
Alright.
She might not have
Ivy.
backed out, but very soon now she'll find a way to punish me. Eh?
Ivy. Nobody is going to lay a finger on you in this house again. Okay? Trust me. I promise you, nobody's going to hurt you. I'm here. Are you scared?
I'll wait for you. I'll stay.
Go inside. Where could this thing be?
Still I trust the process, no time to waste. It's no easy, but I hold you tight. We go turn the darkness into light. Even when it's hard, I know go on. Like a fire, they keep me strong. I found love.
Are you sure you don't want to help me arrange this? I was joking. Leave it. Hey, I was joking.
But you know I can actually help you. Why? Well, didn't you help me earlier to clean the window?
Are we counting scores now?
No, Louis. I don't like owing people.
You know what? Just drop it and continue what you're doing.
No, let's fold it. It's not a lot.
I said drop it. I'll do it.
So what are you going to do?
Hey!
Sir, I think I'll probably help you with this next time. So I'll see you later.
That's fine.
Yes, ma'am!
Daniel, are you falling in love with this girl?
Even when danger they all around, you'll be my peace, I know fit down. I found love in an unsafe place. Still I trust the process, no time to waste. It no easy, but I hold you tight. We go turn the darkness into light. Even when it hard, I no go wrong. Now your fire they keep me strong. I found love, yeah, in an unsafe place, but I trust the grace. Them say make I no fall for you. Say your world too wild, your sky too blue. But every star where I see for your skin, tell me say love for the rise from within. If no any hard, I'm not go run. Now your fire they keep me strong. I found love, yeah, in an unsafe place, but I trust the grace. Them say make
Ivy!
Ma?
We are expecting a guest. And I want you to prepare something nice. Am I clear?
Okay, ma. Please, what would you like me to make? Or may I ask who is coming?
Eh? What did you just say?
I'm sorry, ma. I didn't mean it that way. I'm asking just to know what the person would like to
So you're asking questions now? Since when? Like, since when did that one start? Are you okay?
I'm sorry.
Sorry for your stupid self. Rubbish. And it's about that too. They don't want you to waste time there. Be fast. Am I clear?
Okay, ma, what should I make? Sorry.
I will get the menu. I'm coming.
Ah,
Dad?
son. To what do I owe this visit?
Can't the son just have a chit chat with his dad again?
Ah, of course, why not? Why not? Come on. Sit down. Okay. I'm all ears.
Okay, so Dad, I want to talk to you about Ivy.
What about her?
I like her. I think I like her.
You think?
Oh God, Dad. I like her.
Like?
Dad, don't make this hard for me. Do you know what I mean?
Come on, you're mad. I mean, if you can't even make your intentions clear to me, how would you make it clear to the woman involved?
Okay. So this is it. I want to make Ivy a lifetime partner. Yeah, I feel something for her. Every single time I see her, I'm drawn towards her. There's something in her that calls my attention. I want to be able to protect her. In a nutshell, I want to make her my wife.
I think you have made a very good choice.
Really?
Yeah. I mean, she's an intelligent girl, very industrious, and humble. Above all, she's a very good cook.
Dad, how did you notice all of this?
Oh, come on. You think because I am Old, I'm also blind? No, I notice everything. Look, you have my support, 100%.
Really?
Yes. Have you told her?
No. I'm scared. No, not like I'm scared. I don't want to scare her away. I don't want her to feel like I'm, putting pressure on her because of the things that are going on in the house. I don't want to rush things.
Come on, young man. Come on. If a man sees what he wants, he goes for it right away. No time to waste. I mean, a moment can make a whole lot of difference.
You're right, Dad. That's just what I'll do.
Good. Have you considered the war?
Mom, I know she's never going to approve this.
She will not only disapprove, she will wage war. Third World War. You can expect that. But if you say you love her, like you said, no. I think the best thing for you to do is go for it. Fight for her. Like a real man.
Okay. I'm just going to follow your advice and do it.
I think you have made a real good choice. And I'm very proud of you.
Thank you, Daddy.
You have all my support.
Thank you, Daddy.
Welcome. You have all my support.
And what is my favorite person in the world cooking?
Favorite person?
Yeah, you.
Well, I'm making my stew.
The aroma of this stew is giving delicious.
But you've not even tasted it yet.
The moment I came in, my body, soul, and spirit tasted it.
Ah. Okay. So can you cook?
Cook.
Mm-hmm.
I can turn on the gas. I can boil water.
Okay. I'll take it that you can't cook.
Why should I know how to cook when I have the world best chef here?
Cooking is a survival skill, okay? It's not a gender thing.
I didn't mean to make it a gender thing, but how do you even think I survived abroad? Without a wife, without a mother, without a girlfriend? I can cook, obviously. Sorry, I've been meaning to ask you. Do you only wear your uniform?
These are the only things I'm permitted to wear in this house.
Really? So how do you plan to wear the clothes Diane bought for you? I told Diane to buy some clothes for you.
So with all due respect, it's not like I don't appreciate, but those clothes were worn out and they were looking old. So but I'm fine now.
Hold on. Old? Torn? Worn out? I gave Diane 200,000 naira to buy you outfits.
200,000.
Yes. I mean, anytime I come home like that, I buy things randomly for people, the neighbors' kids. I didn't even know we had a maid at home.
Sorry.
No, it's unbelievable.
No, it's okay. Please, I don't want any problems in this house anymore. It's fine. I'm really okay with my uniform. Please.
When will the food be ready?
In about 30 minutes.
Good. Meet me in the car in 40 minutes time.
What's happening there?
I need you to trust me. Meet me in the car in 40 minutes time. Thank you.
Sir, please, I want to ask. where are we going? What's happening?
It's a surprise, Ivy.
Sir, I can't take surprises right now. And I don't want Madame and small Madame to know that I left the house. It won't look good at all.
So you don't trust me to protect you? Is that what you're saying? See, Ivy, let me tell you something. You're not just a maid to me. And I mean what I said. Nobody is going to hurt you again. Nobody's going to lay a finger on you again. I'm going to protect you. Can we go?
You were cold, but your touch stayed warm. In the chaos, I found my calm. Every street light looked like fear. But your voice whispered, baby, I'm here. Even when danger, they all around. You be my peace, I know fit drown. I found love.
So since you know so much about foods, so let's start with roasted foods. On a scale of roasted foods now, starting from plantain, how excited are you?
Which one is roasted plantain? See, if you want to know how excited I am, I think you should start with grilled turkey. I'm on a grilled turkey level.
Turkey?
Yes.
Ha! Wow! I didn't expect that. I thought you were going to say, okay, you're on the level of boiled yam or something.
No. Boiled yam is for people that are sad. It's grilled turkey level. That's the sweetest.
So only people that are sad eat boiled yam?
Yes. No.
Wow. Okay.
By the way, you're actually a good driver.
I thought you said I was a bad driver the other day.
I was angry. I didn't mean it.
But you know, apart from driving, there's something else I'm good at. I can tell jokes. Yeah. You want to hear some? The only problem now is I don't have anyone. I have to go home, rock my head. And I'm not a comedian like that.
Hey, you can imagine.
I'm a partial comedian. I'm not.
So why did you bring it up if you did not have any?
Because I know how to crack jokes, but at this point,
well,
no.
I ended up laughing, so a win-win for you.
You should learn how to drive someday.
This is just not adding up. As in, this girl went out without taking permission. As in, where did she go?
Like, when did that one even start?
When did she start leaving the house without taking permission?
I don't know. Simon, this girl has been acting so mad. Since I started defending this girl, she has been acting like the queen of this house, and I won't take it from her. I won't even let it at all.
Just imagine this girl going out with that thing. That is how they do sluts. Who knows? She must have gone out with a man or gone to look for a man.
All right,
that's what they do. Very terrible girl. I will certainly deal with her.
Before you bust on that, maybe you should ask yourself where your son is.
Meaning?
I just said the same thing. Meaning that, where is your son?
Where is my son anyway? Are you indirectly saying they went out together because...
Well, I think he's a grown-up man and he can make his choices. And if you ask me, I think he's on the side of fairness. Yeah.
I'm saying that somebody has gone out to go and follow men. You are bringing my son into the matter and saying... What I don't get...
Saying that before you accuse that lady of going out to meet a man, have you also asked yourself, where is Daniel?
Honey, see, I don't want to read this parable you are saying now the way my brain is telling me to read it, because are you saying my son went out with this girl? Are you saying she went out with my son? I will finish her myself. I will be the one to finish her myself. I will be the one to Hannah. Let it not be what you are saying, no. Let it just be that I'm thinking it wrongly. You know I'm always getting you wrong. Let it be that I got this one wrong, go. If I should ask for Daniel too. I'm going to do that.
So when I was sneaking in, is this how you actually intend to protect me?
I don't want anyone ruining the moment, okay? And I have something important to tell you in my room.
In your room? What's happening in your room?
Ivy, trust me. It's not what you think, okay? I'm not going to force myself on you. Just relax. Come.
Look, I might be a maid, but I'm not stupid.
I know the world has broken you in so many ways, and I don't plan to be a part of that. I promise I'm never going to force myself on you. I'm never going to take advantage of you. You need to trust someone. That's why I'm here. Just trust me. Please.
I trust you. But promise that you'll never break it.
Hey. I promise you. I'll never break it.
Better be worth it, Mr. Bodyguard.
Come on. Wow. This is beautiful.
You like it?
I love it. I mean, you should try out this once.
No, So the thing is, I am not allowed to be on anything other than my uniform in this house.
Why? Because you're a maid? Ivy, I don't want you to be a maid anymore. I want you to be my woman. I have genuine feelings for you.
I'm sorry, I don't think I want any of this. I'm not some charity case that I don't want anybody to like me out of pity. Yes, I'm a maid, and I don't think I deserve you.
And who says I like you out of pity? Ivy, I have genuine feelings for you, like I said. Please just be my girlfriend, please.
No. I think I need space. I'll just go ahead and pack these things. I'll just go and change and leave. He lied to me. But he said he cared about me. He said he would never hurt me. Baby, how can you be so stupid? So all this while he had a fiancé. A whole fiancé. Tanya, you said that I should trust you, and I did. I trusted you. But you know what? No. I am not going to be anybody's toy. And I'll not let anybody play with me, not even a secret. I know I have nothing, but I still have my pride.
not get married and you are not telling us the truth.
No, please, Auntie. Stop. Well, it's Daniel. He treats me like royalty. Sometimes I even wonder if I deserve him. Aww.
He was just a big. I mean, what has Daniel done this time?
So, last month, Daniel sent me flowers for a whole week. Every single day, just because I said I was stressed.
Oh my God!
Then, the time I had a flu, Daniel was on the phone with me the whole night. Just to keep me company. He even had a chef deliver soup to my place.
What? Oh why? That is my Daniel. Raised to treat a woman like a queen. I mean, the right woman.
Jamie, what about the surprise trip to Cape Town?
Oh, that one.
Yes.
Do you know Daniel had his friend book a whole suite just for both of us?
It's a lie.
We had wine on the balcony, gisted all night. No distraction, just us.
That is so sweet. Ivy, please try. Ivy, make sure you add wine to the table, okay? Get a bottle of wine because we are celebrating love here, okay? Hey, Diane, why don't you go to your room and call your brother that his beautiful fiancée Jenny is here?
No. I want to go surprise him myself in his room.
Good.
Oh, no need. He's not around. Daniel went out.
Oh, don't worry, Jenny. He will soon be back, I'm sure.
Definitely.
Oh, honey. Honey, come and sit. Come and sit. Let me give you small gist. Okay? Sit down. Oh, this is Jenny. You see? Pretty girl.
Jenny.
That's Daniel's fiancée.
Oh,
Isn't she beautiful?
Jenny! Nice to meet you.
Thank you, sir.
Oh,
I've heard so much about you.
absolutely. I'm sure you have.
Yes.
Daniel's fiancé?
Yes, honey.
Ah. Does Daniel know he has a fiancé?
What are you trying to say, honey? Are you insinuating that I'm lying in front of everybody?
Sweetheart. I'm not calling you a liar. I'm not calling anyone a liar.
Yeah, so
Well, you see, this whole show has your fingerprints all over it.
Stop it now. Can't you just be happy for everybody?
Of course I am happy.
Can't you just be happy your son's fiancé is here? Or is she not beautiful?
Oh, Jenny, I'm sorry. You're welcome. You enjoy yourself. Make yourself comfortable.
That's it.
Don't mind me.
Exactly. Don't mind. My husband always likes to make somebody laugh. Eh? Take it easy, okay?
By the way, you look absolutely stunning. You know.
Yeah, exactly. That's it. You see, Danny has a good taste. Eh?
Yes, of course.
Yeah. Ivy!
Ivy.
Yes.
I saw this necklace and some banquet.
Please, can you just go?
Ivy, what's wrong? Did someone say something bad to you?
Daniel, you're just a liar.
Me?
And I do not want anything from you.
Sorry, what are you talking about? What's going on?
I'm not saying anything. The point is that you've proven yourself and I've seen whatever I had to see from your actions. Please just go. Just go.
Ivy, tell me.
Don't touch me. Just leave.
What is going on?
Just go. Just take your things. I don't want anything from you. Just leave. Oh my God. I miss you so much.
Jenny, when did you get back from London?
This this morning I wanted to surprise you, and it's like I did.
Hey, Ivy.
No, wait. I have a lot to tell you. We have a lot to talk about.
We can always say that later.
No, now, come on.
Nice to see you again. I'm coming, okay?
Really?
I did.
Look at the way she's pretending as if this is not the life she's used to.
You know, she used to pay people to do it for her. You know, rich people that became poor, they always act confused.
I am trying my best.
Did we ask you? Did we ask you? Your best is not enough. Okay? It is not enough. Listen, my brother sees you as nothing but a poor girl who needs help. So wake up. This is not love. It's pity. Okay? It is.
Please, I don't have anything to do with your brother.
Oh, really? Then stop walking around this house like you own it.
You
You're a maid. You need to act like one.
Thank you.
I know you hate me, okay? But I'm not your enemy.
You're not even one, you're being hated. See, you're a stain that refuses to wash off. So get used to it.
Wait. You want my brother? I mean, you want Daniel. Is that what this is? Let me give you a friendly advice. No, you're not my friend. Let me give you an advice. We are playing a very long game. Very long one. You get? A very long game.
I see what's happening here. The both of you just don't like the fact that someone is finally caring about me, right? That's it.
Wow. You're nothing but poison in this house. So you need to get used to whatever you're getting here.
Or better still, just die. Problem solved. You just ruined the day.
So because I rejected him, that is why he moved on so quickly. Did he ever even love me, or was I just a project? A charity case? But he would have fought harder. Can't a woman just take her time to say yes? I'm so heartbroken. Seeing him with that girl really broke something inside of me. Mom? Dad? I think I like him. What is this feeling? Do I really like him, or is this jealousy? But the moment she hugged him, I just wanted to rip her apart for touching what is mine. But is it really even mine? Mom, I don't know what to do.
I still remember how you almost burnt your eyebrows off while grilling in the rain.
It was your brother's advice that I should use more charcoal in the rain, so I poured more kerosene.
And you believed him.
What was I supposed to do?
Oh, Daniel. I thought you were the smart one.
Oh, well, I guess I was a little stupid then.
You haven't changed at all.
What do you mean? That's a lie. I've grown a bit, I've matured.
A little. That's disappointing, you know.
Do you remember that?
Hey, why are you laughing out loud? We are talking.
Am I?
Yes, you are. We're just talking. Do you want people to think something is going on?
Please don't give people wrong meaning, please.
Okay, sorry.
Thank you.
Daniel, you know, we can work something out.
No, I don't think so. We're friends, okay? And it ends there.
But we can be more.
Hey, come on, stop. I really don't want to have anything outside of what this friendship is all about. And if you think I'm single, I'm not.
You know, but can't we just try a little bit?
Come on, Jenny, no. You don't take no for an answer. No.
And oh, okay, sorry. But how about maybe I can share the room with you tonight?
What did you say?
Just for tonight, I won't disturb you.
No. You go to Diane's room. There's no way you're sleeping here this night.
Please.
No. You don't take no for an answer, do you?
Fine.
What are you doing?
Ma?
I asked you to go clean my room, and you are here. He's dropping my brother and his fiancée. Why?
Ma, sorry. I was actually on my way to you.
Then why are you here? Why are you eavesdropping?
My error. I'm so, it was nothing.
Start going. Woo!
Sorry, Ma.
Sorry for your stupid self. Yes.
What's wrong? Have you at least talked to me?
Go. Just leave, okay?
Have you, what did I do?
Just leave my room. I don't want to hear anything you have to say.
Ivy, talk to me. If I've done anything wrong, at least tell me. Please. What did I do?
See, I know I'm just a maid, okay? I'm not deserving of you. It's okay. Just go and be who you want to be with. Just go and be with Jenny.
What rubbish are you talking about, Jenny? Are you jealous or something? Come on. Jenny's just a family friend. She's just a friend.
Just a friend, and she was hugging you like that.
I promise you, I don't have anything to do with Jenny. You rejected me. It's... Ivy, it's you.
Oh, so because I rejected you, that's why you feel like you have every right to just move on just like that?
No, God.
Huh?
Ivy, see, I've made my intentions very clear. It's you I want. If you say yes to me right now, I will go out there to the world and tell everyone about us.
What do you mean by everyone?
Yes, I am not ready to hide you. I'm not ready to hide you, okay?
And I'm not ready for everyone to know. At least not just yet.
You know what? I am ready when you're ready. Just choose me. That's all I'm asking you.
So you're not with Jenny?
I'm single. For now. Is that a yes? Hey, is that a yes? I'm actually planning to get this for you.
That's nice. Oh, this is really nice.
Something similar to the one I have downstairs.
I like the color. Mm-hmm. Is there something like this?
Mm-hmm. Ivy.
Hmm?
We can make this work. What do you think?
I think so.
Are you sure? Is this what you really want? And where do you think you're going to?
Dan, I actually need to go, please. I don't want anybody to wake up and...
No. I want you to stay with me, please.
I don't want to get in trouble.
You know, I'm actually still in disbelief that I was your first. And it turned out really nice. I know you're shy, you're a little embarrassed. The Ivy of last night, that's not the Ivy of now. You were so full of life. It was fun and I really loved it.
Dan, please, can I go?
No.
I have chores.
Shh. One more thing.
What is it?
Please, stay.
Don't go. Then I have to go.
I want you beside me all day.
You have to be kidding me. Please, I'll see you later, okay?
Promise. Promise.
Okay, I promise. I just have to go. Alright, bye. I'll see you later.
I don't understand. What nonsense! This thing wants to drive me crazy! Why is this place like this?
Please, I woke up late, but I just went upstairs to but I will start sweeping it.
Are you crazy? Are you mad?
Mama, please don't grab me like that again.
Just take my hands off you. Since when?
With due respect.
Don't you dare! Why would you want to hit me? Did you just hold my hand back?
Why would she? When she's now sleeping with your brother.
What did you just say?
I caught her sneaking out of Daniel's room like a little scared cat. She didn't know I was awake. Mama, it's not true. Nothing happened.
What? Where are you? Where my brother's room? You don't want to talk, Abby? You don't want to talk, Abby? You will explain yourself to my mother.
Mom, please don't tell her.
Are you crazy? Are you mad?
Mom, just please don't tell her nothing happened. Like, yeah, I'm effrontery to sleep.
Are you stupid? You slapped me!
So this thing you people did, is it what you people call having sense? Ganging up and beating up somebody's child to coma. Are you guys even normal?
Mom, she was sleeping with Daniel. What are we supposed to do? Act like we didn't know about it.
Wait, you think I am in this house and I'm blind, I'm not seeing what is going on? You think I don't know? Eh? This is why I brought Jenny all the way from London so that she will be in this house and keep distracting Daniel. Because your brother has always had an eye for this girl since the day he came back to this house. You think I didn't notice? Eh? Your brother will never forgive you for this thing you have done. Eh? Why would you do a thing like this, both of you?
You expect me to be quiet when I knew Daniel was sleeping with that girl? Mom, I saw her coming out of his room.
And so? Did anybody not ask you to beat her up? Okay, now she's in coma. What are you people going to do? What are we going to do? See, you think your brother is quiet and so he won't do anything. His quietness is his danger. Eh? Look at. Sending somebody's child to the hospital. Daniel.
Which of you did this? Which of you did this?
Stop shouting in my house.
Mommy, this is my house too. Don't tell me what to do. Do you realize that that girl almost lost her life? Because of your stupidity, that girl is in coma. Mom, see what you have turned Diane into. She is a monster now. And you, Jenny, you will leave this house this moment as I speak, okay? As a matter of fact, I have called the police. Yes, because this is nothing but a case of attempted murder.
Attempted what?
Yes, attempted murder.
Absolutely.
Nobody will arrest my
I support everything he's doing. You will spend your time in police cell. Yes.
Jenny, are you deaf? I said leave this house now!
Look, every action has consequences. Now look at you. I'm so disappointed with every one of you. Very, very disappointed.
It's okay. Nobody will arrest my daughter. Nobody will touch my daughter.
Daddy, I'm sorry.
Nobody is going to touch my daughter.
Daddy, I'm sorry.
Look at you.
Daddy.
Look at you. A grown-up girl. No sense.
I'm sorry.
No self-control.
Okay. Stop crying. Nobody,
No shame.
Nobody will arrest you. It's fine.
Nonsense.
It's fine, honey. Take it easy.
Mom, I'm dead. Oh, what will I do? Want to be serious? Daniel, I'm sorry. Oh, Mom, I'm dead. I'm finished. Oh.
Hello, doctor. Doctor, please, if there's anything you need to do, please just do it. Put her in the best hands. Just see, if it means me donating blood, just let me know. Yes, anything. Please, just try your possible best to save her, please. I'm begging you. Thank you.
Daddy, they are arresting your sister. Police is trying to drag Diane away to the police station. Come and do something about it, please. Please, say something. I don't say anything.
Let her face the law.
Face the law. Face the law, meaning she will go to prison or they will lock her up. Are you even serious? Serious now? Are you even serious right now? Are you being like this because of a stranger? You are
Hey, mommy.
a maid! You are
Mommy.
cheating a maid over your sister.
Mommy, don't you ever call that woman a maid again. That woman you are seeing is now my woman. As a matter of fact, if you really love me and respect me as your son, you would treat that woman with every bit of respect that you give me. Else, I see it as you disrespecting me.
Woman? You are a woman? You are a woman? Raymond, do something. They have carried Diane. The police dragged her like a common criminal. They've taken my daughter. They've arrested my daughter. Raymond.
Good. She's where she's supposed to be. Yes. And she will remain there until Ivy gets better.
No, don't say that. Please. This is your daughter we're talking about.
Mm-hmm.
Are you going to be sitting here drinking tea while they throw her behind bars?
I'm sorry, Stella. She's where she's supposed to be. She will remain there. I mean, I'm really sorry because this is exactly what we should have done a long time ago. I should have done this a long time ago.
Hey, Raymond, see, please, do not allow your emotions carry you away. This is your daughter, your blood. Are you going to support a total stranger over her?
Stranger? Stella? Stranger? Is that what you see her? Stranger? No. Because who and what I see that girl each time I look at her is a young woman who has undergone a lot of pain. Who has suffered a lot of humiliation under your very nose. And she, for once, has never raised her voice. Come on, Stella, she's not a stranger.
Please.
Don't place me.
Please, pull some string, please. Honey, see, I'm kneeling down, please. I'm begging you, please. It's our baby. Please, she's just a kid. You know all these governors and you even know president, please. Even if it's a call the commission and let them not leave her there, please. I'm begging you, honey, please. You know, her parents are rich anyway. Why would she be suffering when her parents are...
Read my lips. I will not waste a finger. Diane must suffer the consequences of her action. The fact that her parents are rich does not mean she should be mean to anybody. She must show some kindness. And you yourself, you encourage all this nonsense. You allow all of this to happen. You are an example of a bad mother. Because you're rich, you don't teach your child the best thing to do.
You are very right. We are sorry. I will change. I will improve. I didn't like that particular girl from the day she came and I'm wrong. Sorry. Please, for the sake of our daughter, so that she will not turn a criminal inside herself. Because that place that they lock all those criminals, before you know it, she may just turn to a real criminal.
Stella, she needs that lesson. She needs it. Because she was already becoming a criminal. Her action was criminal. How could she have hit her on the head while she was lying on the floor? What if she had died? Diane will remain in that cell until Ivy comes out of coma. Final. Don't beg me. You know I will not change.
I love you. You're a good man. You're pious. You're a wonderful person. A special child of God. Please, I beg you. Oh, Raymond, you are a wonderful man. I've done wrong. Honey, please do something about our daughter. She's still in that cell.
Woman, can you get me something to eat, please?
So you can eat like this. I'm certainly not cooking for anybody in this house until my daughter comes back, not even you.
Well, that's your choice. You can starve yourself to death for all I care. If you think that your emotional blackmail will bring that girl out of police custody, then you better think again.
You are just punishing your daughter for nothing. For no reason. Not fair. Would you now give the whole love to someone else? So no love for your own child.
Ah, welcome, my daughter. Nice to see you. Welcome. Sit. Careful. How are you feeling now? Thank God.
Dad, Mom, I want to say something.
Please go ahead.
I know this might not sound so nice, but I had a very deep thought about this. I want to leave this house with Ivy. And that's because I want to make future plans with the woman I love. I want to, like I earlier said, spend the rest of my life with her. But this house is too toxic for that. So that's why I'm making that decision. And I hope you both understand.
Okay.
No. I don't understand.
Good.
Son, please don't go, please. You cannot just leave the house like that.
Mommy, please. I want to beg you. Don't call me your son for now. Please. Because you didn't behave like a mother. You were very mean. Even now that I just brought her from the hospital, with bandage on her head, you didn't even say anything. You didn't ask how she was feeling. Only Dad asked. You just looked away. I saw it.
I'm thinking of my daughter that is in this cell with criminals. I'm sorry, please, son, don't go.
It's fine. The deed has been done. You can't undo it.
Don't go, honey. Put in a word.
Daddy, I hope you understand.
Son, we will respect whatever decision you take, as long as you find peace.
You need to rest. Let's go upstairs. Do you have the strength?
You were cold, but your touch stayed warm. In the chaos, I found my calm. Every street light looked like fear. Got your voice whisper, baby, I'm here. Even when danger, they all around. You be my peace, I know they drown. I found love in an unsafe place. Still, I trust the process, no time to waste. Ain't no easy, but I hold you tight. We go turn the darkness into light. Even when it's hard, I know go wrong. Now your fire, they keep me strong. I found love Yeah, in a non-safe place, but I trust the grace. Them say make that no fall for you. Say a word too loud, just let you
Thank
but
you.
every star where I see for your skin, tell me say love for the life from within. If no any hard, I'm not good. Now your father keep me strong. I found love, yeah, in a non-safe place, but I trust the grace.
I'm glad you're back home. Hmm?
It's okay. I want to say thank you for always standing by my side. I'm really grateful.
It's fine, thank you too.
Babe,
Hmm?
there's something that has really been bothering me, and I want to talk about it.
Okay, what could that be?
Babe, I was wondering if you could call the police.
If it's because of Diane, no. I'm not going to do that.
Baby, now.
No. I am not going to do that. And I mean it.
Baby, please. I think that's the only way I would have peace of mind. Please, don't forget that she's family. Huh?
For God's sake.
This girl almost killed you.
Yeah, I know. But I'm sure that somewhere, as she's there, she's probably regretting it too. I'm sure she didn't mean it though. I'm sure. Please. We're humans and sometimes we tend to make this kind of mistakes. Baby, please now.
Okay, fine. I'll call the police to release her.
Thank you. But baby, you have to call the police to release her. Today. I don't want her to spend another night there. Biko, please.
It's fine. I'll call them much later today. Is that fine?
Today?
Yeah, much later, not now. I promise. I promise.
Baby, if you worry, see, I'm fine. I'm perfectly fine now. Nothing is wrong with me. You can just let it go.
You were cold, but your touch stay warm in the chaos. I found my calm.
You know I love
Every
you.
street light look like you. Got your voice whisper, baby, I'm here. Even when danger they all around, you be my peace. I know fit drown. I found love in an unsafe place. Still I trust the process, no time to waste. Ain't no easy, but I hold you tight. We go turn the darkness into light.
Okay.
You're back.
Thank you for getting me out.
Me? This is the person you should thank. She's the one that begged for your release because left to me, you will sleep there, you will grow white hair there.
You did? After everything that I did to you?
Ivy, I'm sorry. Sorry for everything. I was wicked, I was cruel, I was wicked, I was cruel, I was bad. I really regret everything. Please, I'm sorry. Find a place in your heart to forgive me. Please. I'm sorry.
You don't have to do all of that. Please stand up.
I can't.
We're family, right? Please, stand up.
Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You don't have to.
I'm sorry.
We're family, right? It's okay.
God. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for everything. I'm sorry. I regret everything. I'm sorry.
I've heard you. But you see, sorry does not always fix everything.
Mommy.
For this reason, I need to tell you that I have directed that 20% of your shares be allocated to Ivy.
As in, the whole 20%? Like all of it, would you even share it into two?
I just need her to learn a lesson.
I already said I'm sorry now.
I know. I heard you. But when I see visible signs of remorse, then maybe I'll change my mind.
Please, just at least share it into two, at least. Please.
There's need to be kind.
I'm begging, please.
To be human. To show love to everybody no matter what.
I'm sorry.
The circumstances can change. You can be in her position tomorrow. Don't ever feel entitled.
You're right, honey.
Sir, I appreciate your kind gesture, but please, I don't need any of it. I don't think I can take any of that responsibility.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's fine. Okay? It's fine. It's fine. It's okay. You should change. And I'm sure my husband too. Sorry. I just hate that. Okay? Just accept it for now, please. Yeah. I'm very sorry. Sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Papa.
I've heard you, Mom. I've heard you.
Baby, hold on. Baby, do we really need to go?
Yes, we actually need to go. Because this atmosphere is just toxic. It's been one problem or the other. It's not a safe place anymore, especially for you.
Baby, I understand you. But honestly, I don't want to be the reason why you get separated from your family. Especially your mom. It's going to break her heart. And I can't live with myself like that. Please.
At this point, I really don't care. Okay? I don't care.
But baby, we need a family. Especially now that we are expecting.
Huh? What did you say?
I'm pregnant.
Yeah. You're about to make me father. Oh my God.
What is going on here? Hello, what's going on, Dan? Are you okay?
Ivy just told me something now and she said she's pregnant.
Oh my God!
That's sweet.
You are pregnant?
Yes.
You are going to make me a grandmother? That has always been my dream. Oh, you made my dream to come true. Oh, girl.
You don't have to cry.
Jesus.
You don't have to cry.
Awesome news. I want to be able to take care of you. I want to be able to look after you through the journey. I want to be able to do this. I want to do this right. I want to do it well. I want to be able to be there for you, to take care of you and take care of the baby when the baby comes. Will you forgive me, Dad?
We forgive you, Mom.
Baby, please, you don't have to ask.
This is such an awesome. Oh God.
Please, you don't
I
have
cannot hold the tears. Daddy, we are going to be a father.
I forgive you.
Look at you.
I forgive you.
Thank you.
I'm not going anymore.
I'm so happy.
We are here to stay, right?
You still did that.
Oh my God.
I see faith inside
Okay, stop crying.
This is so awesome. This is so great.
Oh my God. Guy, Raymond, you are just too funny. And you are just quiet. And somebody will just, your daddy is quiet. Somebody will think it is. You don't know that one small talk like this will make everybody to laugh. He's so funny. Hello, my love. How are you? Eat a little bit more, okay? I added more vegetable to your soup so that, it can be...
Mommy, we are 5 on this table. And you're paying attention to just one person.
Are you jealous?
Wait, are you the one pregnant for me?
Are you the one carrying the baby?
She is the one pregnant for me. So I need to put extra effort.
Okay. Drink more because I want my baby to stay hydrated.
At this point, I'll just get fat.
Don't worry.
Do we care? We don't care. If you like, but my own is that I'm going to be an auntie. I need to start now. Okay.
Let her be a fatty bonbon.
We don't care.
And have a fatty bonbon baby too. And that's just fine.
Daniel. My son. Give your old man the hint at all. Just kept me in the dark.
Dad,
All of a sudden, boom, fatherhood. Yeah, just like that.
Dad, I promise you, I wasn't even expecting it. It just happened to be a very big surprise. And I promise you, it's the best surprise of my life.
Best news.
It is.
And that is why we should hasten the wedding. Because I know that the baby is going to be as stubborn and agile as Daniel.
Correct.
Before that baby will start kicking the priest on that wedding day.
Okay, so since we are in a celebration mood and we are just surprising ourselves here and there, so I've been doing some thinking. I've also been observing, and I've seen that my daughter Diane has shown some remorse, genuinely remorseful, and I've seen it and I'm happy about it. So I want to announce that I've directed that your shares will be restored.
Thank you, honey.
Okay. Secondly, still in the same celebration mood.
Cannot wait to hear the next one.
In anticipation of the new entrant into the family, I've also directed that the portion of the shares we made, yes, for our newborn baby that we are expecting. But I am thinking that it should be a small percentage above the father's.
Yeah, that would be good.
Your son is richer than you.
Nice, Dad. That would be nice.
But don't worry, I'm just sitting down.
Yeah, baby is richer than you.
Do it. That would be nice. Do it, Dad.
Oh, congratulations to everyone.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You know easy, but I hold you tight. We go turn the darkness into light. Even when it hard, I'm not gonna run. Now your fire to keep me strong. I found love in an unsafe place.